Man realized he could take advantage of sheep's wool to clothe himself and began to shear them by hand.
Inga, clip, clip, ooh-ha, yee-ha.
But today, most farms are mechanized and use modern technology. For example, milking machines are used to get cow's milk.
Ooh, gaggly milkshake.
Milking a cow takes patience and rhythm. As far as chickens are concerned, instead of letting them roam free as nature intended, humans created huge hen houses, where, by using artificial light, the sun appears to rise several times a day. Each time it does, the hens are tricked into laying more eggs.
Grahaha, nighttime.
Day already! Cock-a-doodle-doo!
And the poor animals never even see the real light of day.
Ooh-ha, want have more egg.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Stupid, ha.
Modern farmers care only about egg production, not the welfare of their chickens. Profit is all they are interested in.
Such humanity.